We are building Romania road by road, bringing dreams to life, shaping horizons, and creating the future. This is who we are. For 7 years, MEVA Concept has built a trusted name in the construction industry, offering excellence in every project. From the foundations we lay for modern infrastructure to the communities we help develop, our story is one of passion, precision, and progress. With a team of over 500 people, we are more than just a company, we are a family. Together, we bring expertise, innovation, and dedication to every project, ensuring the highest standards of quality and safety. Our people are the cornerstone of our success, and their skills and commitment drive us forward and motivate us. Our engineers, architects, builders, and project managers share a common goal: to exceed expectations and leave a lasting legacy. Every challenge is an opportunity to learn, improve, and grow. Our clients are the core of everything we do, and the communities where we bring change are the heart and the source of our strength. Their trust fuels our ambition to deliver projects that not only meet their expectations, but also exceed their vision. From infrastructure development, roads, bridges, and sewage systems, to large-scale commercial and industrial projects, we take pride in creating works that inspire, transform lives, and stand the test of time. At MEVA Concept, we believe in building responsibly. Our commitment to sustainability drives us to use innovative materials and methods that reduce our environmental impact while ensuring long-term value. Beyond construction, we invest in our communities, creating jobs, supporting local businesses, and giving back. 7 years are just the beginning. As we look toward the future, MEVA Concept is committed to pushing boundaries, embracing new technologies, and delivering projects that stand the test of time. MEVA Concept, we build more than roads. We build trust, communities, happiness, and a better tomorrow.